Hi everyone, my name is Danielle Schiel and I am from Brush, Colorado. I teach high school business at Brush High School. Some of the classes that I teach include entrepreneurship, QuickBooks, personal finance, and I also get to teach a class through the community college called Tax Help Colorado, where the kids get to prepare tax returns for people in the community. It's really fun to get to see kids take things that they learn in high school and use them when they leave. Along with being a teacher, I'm also the career and tech ed coordinator. So I make sure that all of our courses are approved through the state. And then I also take care of all of our data reporting to the state so we can get appropriate funding. Some strengths would include time management, organization. I include a lot of technology within my classroom already. Um, I am excited to take this class though and improve on that. One of my biggest weaknesses is probably taking the reins too much. I tend to think that I can get things done better and faster if I just do it on my own. So I tend to overwhelm myself with a lot of work. So I definitely need to work on that. Some of my career goals would be to take my CTE coordinator position a little bit further and really focus on our curriculum planning. Our school district is working on implementing industrial credentials or certifications that prepare kids to go directly into the workforce rather than having to go to college. I really want to include some of this instructional technology within that curriculum because this is how kids learn. It's not going anywhere, and I just think that the kids are going to relate to the content on a deeper level if we are including technology within their learning process. So I'm excited for this class. I know it's going to be fast and furious, but here we go. Can't wait to work with everybody.